Hello guys, today we're going to see the unboxing of Callmate 10-in-1 USB link. If you have this, you don't have to carry around a lot of different cables for all of your devices. This comes really handy if you're traveling a lot. Now let's open the package and see the product. Here you can see a bunch of USB cables that are compatible with different mobile phones. I don't even know what half of these cables are for, so I just speed it. These are only for charging, they cannot be used for data transfer. Some of these USB pins are plastic, so there might be a chance of breaking. Don't forget to like, favorite, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.